Hey friends, hello and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial by World for PST. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. In this video, we will see how to change hair color in Photoshop. Here is the image we are going to use, which is downloaded from unsplash.com. So the first step is to select the hair of the subject. We will select the quick selection tool, set the brush size as per the requirement. Hardness must be 0. Start making the selection. Don't worry, if extra selection is done, we can subtract them later. Use the bracket keys to increase or decrease the size of the brush. You can also use other tools for selection purpose. Use the bracket keys to increase or decrease the size of the brush. After the selection is done, the second step is to add a hue saturation adjustment layer with the selection being active. Open the hue saturation adjustment. Check on colorize option. When you change the hues, you will see that the adjustment you make shall be applied only to the selected portion, that is the hair. Change the hues as desired. You will see when you change the hue, the hair color also changes. In this way, we have successfully changed the color of the hair. So hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to change hair color in Photoshop CC. Please like, share and comment on how this video has helped you. Also, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with my future content. Take care.